This DERNORD inline sight glass uses robust stainless steel 316 housing and tempered glass, which gives it excellent durability in demanding sanitary process lines. The full-bore, straight-through design provides clear, unobstructed viewing of product flow, making it easy to monitor fluids without creating extra pressure drop. Its 3-inch tri-clamp ends in sanitary construction integrate smoothly into food, dairy, beverage, and pharmaceutical systems that rely on standard clamp fittings. High maximum pressure and temperature ratings make this sight glass suitable for hot cleaning cycles and higher pressure processes common in industrial applications. The cage-style protection around the glass adds a reassuring layer of impact resistance while still allowing a full 360-degree view of the media. Simple clamp connections and easily replaceable seals in glass make maintenance straightforward, helping the sight glass stay in service for many years.